Join us as we step into the inspiring life and career of Jane Bolin, a trailblazing figure in American Black history and a pioneer for justice and equality. Jane Bolin's remarkable journey as the first Black woman to become a judge in the United States is a testament to her unwavering commitment to breaking barriers and making a difference. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible story of a woman whose legacy continues to impact the legal and civil rights landscape.
Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and consider joining our channel. Your support helps us fund videos like this one and others that so desperately need to be told. And now back to the video.
Jane Bolin was characterized as a brave and visionary pioneer in the history of the United States. She broke barriers and left a lasting legacy as the first Black woman to graduate from Yale Law School and the first African-American female judge in the country. Her life and achievements are a testament to perseverance, determination, and courage in an era marked by racial segregation and systematic discrimination. Born on April 11, 1908 in New York, Bolin grew up in a family dedicated to education and community service. She was the youngest of 4 siblings. Her father, Gaius C. Bolin, was the lawyer and the first person of African-American descent to graduate from Williams College, and her mother, Matilda Ingram Emery, was an immigrant from the British Isles who died when Bolin was only 8 years old. Her father practiced law in Dutchess County for 50 years and was the first African-American president of the Dutchess County Bar Association. From a young age, Bolin displayed exceptional talent and a passion for justice. After completing her bachelor's degree at Wellesley College in 1928, she became the first Black woman to graduate from Yale Law School in 1931, a remarkable achievement in a time when educational opportunities for people of color were limited. The political and social environment in which Bolin grew up and was educated was marked by racial segregation and Jim Crow laws that imposed racial discrimination and limited the civil rights of African Americans in many southern states of the United States. However, even in the North, where segregation was not as explicit, opportunities for people of color remained limited and subject to deep racial prejudice. Despite these challenges, Bolin excelled in her education, and after obtaining her law degree, she dedicated herself to serving her community. In 1939, she became the first Black woman to work for the New York City Child Welfare Board, where she focused on improving the living conditions of the most vulnerable children and families. Her experience in this role gave her a deep understanding of the difficulties faced by disadvantaged communities and motivated her to fight for social justice and equality. The pinnacle of Bolin's career came in 1939 when she was appointed a judge of the New York City Family Court by Mayor Fiorello LaGuardia. The historic appointment made her the first African-American woman to be designated as the judge in the United States. During her 40 years in the position, Bolin tirelessly dedicated herself to promoting fairness and justice in the legal system. She was known for her humanitarian approach and her ability to address the needs and concerns of families and children facing difficult situations. In her role as a judge, Bolin advocated for counseling programs and social services for families and made efforts to ensure that children were treated fairly and appropriately within the legal system. Her compassionate approach and her ability to relate to the people who appeared before her court made her a role model and a source of inspiration for other legal professionals. In addition to her work in the judiciary, Bolin was a passionate advocate for civil rights and actively engaged in organizations fighting against racial discrimination and segregation. Jane Bolin opened doors and challenged stereotypes, paving the way for future generations of African American women and people of color in the legal field and beyond. If you learned anything in this video, consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video with someone to help spread the word on Black inventors and American Black history so that these heroes will never be forgotten. See you in the next video.